look at this. This is like your industrial, you want some heavy duty vacuum. This is it, guys. Let me tell you, okay? This thing works like a charm. All right. It comes with all these attachments. You can actually put them into the vacuum. It holds everything for you. It has ones that's great for wood, to vacuum on wood, the bristles. It has ones to get in the corners, and it has one for carpets and everything like that. So, guys, it is powerful. It has a really long cord, and you can control this device right from the handle as well. And it just literally follows you around. It's on wheels. You know you're getting a good clean with this machine. Okay? It really sucked up every little piece and speck of dust. The attachment you see me using, I really like for carpets, like short-haired carpets and so forth. And then I actually use one of the other attachments for wood. But look at me go to town. I love it. Okay. And this is a bio cone. It's basically a bagless cyclonic action, they call it. So there's no bag in there. Okay, it's a cyclone, like a little bio cone that goes in it, and that's like the filter for it. So love that. And the sides open up, detached, and you could clean it right away. There actually is on the top also a little aroma thing where you can put a few drops of essential oil so while you're vacuuming things smell nice, which I absolutely love. So I kind of feel like this also, let's see, where's the other? Oh, you could use it for fabrics too, guys. So there's like a dusting brush that comes in a floor brush and upholstery brush. So you can use it on floors, use it on upholstery. Guys, this vacuum really is everything. So it really gets into every nook and cranny. It has a handle. It wheels around with you for easy, function. And 1, 2, 3, you're good to go. Guys, I recommend this so much.